How to adjust brightness in NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to adjust the brightness, here in this page, if you scroll it down, you will see this AI editor section. Here you have two different options, whether you can choose image to image or text to image options. You can select either one. For now, I've selected the image to image option. Now tap on this add image button over here. It will let you choose the image from your gallery. Select the image. Now in order to adjust brightness in this image, you can provide the prompts over here. Here in this main prompt section, you can write your text prompts how you want the brightness to be. For example, in the prompt, you can explain everything in details. You can mention if you want the high brightness or the lower one. After you write the text prompt, you can select this Generate Now button. The NanoBanana AI will process this and generate the output over here. In this output gallery, you will be able to view the output. So that's it. That's how you can easily adjust the brightness in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.